Hey, if you are running an e-commerce business, you probably know that SEO is constantly evolving. And staying on top of the latest trend is key to keep ahead of the competition and capturing customer attention. So let's break down some of the biggest SEO trends of 2024 and 2025 and how to get your site ready to shine. Number one is about AI-powered search optimization. AI is changing the game for search, especially with tools like Google's BERT and MUM that make search smarter. Now for your e-commerce site, AI can help target keywords, make better product recommendations, and show users the most relevant content. Here is what to do. Try AI tools like ChatGPT for content ideas or ClearScope for SEO insights. And make sure your content sounds conversational and genuinely useful, just like you're talking to a customer. Item number 2, core web vitals and page experience. Let's talk about them. Basically, how well your site performs for speed, interactivity, and stability. Google rewards sites that load fast, work well on mobile, and keep things smooth for users. So to prepare, check your page load times by compressing image and caching. Make sure your site is super mobile friendly and run regular core web vital checks using Google Page Speed Insights. A faster, more user-friendly site, it's a win for both users and SEO. Now let's talk about voice search optimization. Voice search is growing fast. People are searching by asking questions, not typing keywords. They're asking Alexa and Siri. So if you want to find through voice search, think about what your customers might say out loud. Use long-tail conversational keywords and add FAQ sections on key pages. Perfect for voice queries. Don't forget to use schema markup too, so search engines can better understand your content. 4. Video content for enhanced engagement. Video content is a must. People are drawn to videos for product insights and demos, and Google knows it. So get those keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Add transcripts, make product demos, tutorials, whatever helps customers get a real feel to your products, and embed videos on product pages to keep visitors engaged longer. Now let's talk about EAT and brand authority. EAT means expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, especially if you are selling products in health, finance, or personal wellness. Building trust is everything. To show you are credible, post high-quality content, highlight customer reviews and testimonials, and aim to get backlinks from respected sites. And number 6 is about mobile-first indexing and shopping experience. Google's all about mobile-first indexing now, so mobile optimization is no longer optional. Make sure your site is super easy to navigate on mobile and simplify the checkout process to cut down on abandoned carts. A smooth mobile experience means happier customers and for sure, higher rankings. What is sustainability and eco-friendly practice in SEO? More shoppers care about sustainability these days, and search engines are catching on it. If your brand prioritizes eco-friendly practices and adds keywords like sustainable, eco-friendly, and carbon neutral where they fit, you're on the right track. You can even create blog posts or videos on your green initiatives and label sustainable products clearly on your site. That's a must. And item number 8 is about local SEO for e-commerce. Yes, local SEO isn't just for brick and mortar stores. If you have got regional distribution, optimize for local searches. Use keywords for local areas. Create Google My Business profiles and add local focused content so customers in those regions can find you more easily. And number 9, interactive content and user-generated content. Interactive content is awesome for engagement. Think quizzes, polls, or user reviews. Google rewards high engagement pages, so adding things like customer Q&As, social sharing buttons, or product quizzes keeps people on your site longer. The longer they stay, the more they will purchase. And 10, emphasis on data privacy and security. Data privacy and security matter more than ever. Google considers this when ranking, and customers appreciate the secure shopping experience. Make sure your site is HTTPS secured, clearly display your privacy policy in one of the pages, and use it for your customers. That's it. These are the big trends to get ready for the end of 2024 and beginning of 2025. Want some more help? At Ecommerce, we specialize in SEO for commerce and can tailor a strategy just for your business. Get in touch for a free consultation and let's boost your site's visibility together.